Hi there, to remove forgotten password PIN code or pattern on your Samsung Galaxy A16 5G, we will need to perform factory reset via recovery mode. So in that case, when you'll try to set up your phone once more, because with factory reset you'll delete all of your data and you'll need to set up your phone again. So in that case, you'll see information that you need to enter your lock screen protection. But there will be an option to restore your data using your Google account. So just make sure that you remember information about your Google account to be able to set up this phone. And now let's try to enter recovery mode. For that, we need to take USB Type-C charging cable, which goes in a compact with a device. This Type-C port plug in your phone and other end connect to your laptop. After that, we will need to hold the combination of power and volume down buttons, and when the screen will turn off, so it would become black, you'll need to switch from volume down to volume up button but continue holding power button. And important step, once you see this Samsung logo appears on the screen, you need to release all of the buttons. Don't worry, I'm gonna show you how it works. So I'm gonna hold power and volume down buttons at the same time. Just ignore this power off menu, continue holding till the screen will turn off and quickly switch to volume up and now release. And after that, we are just waiting a couple of seconds till we'll enter recovery mode. And yep, here it is. At this point you can already unplug your charging cable and now you should see this menu. So to go through the list, use your volume down or volume up buttons. So scroll till you could see this option, wipe data and factory reset, and confirm your choice by pressing the power button. Now you can see this pop-up window warning that this section cannot be undone, so simply choose factory data reset, confirm, and after that you'll need to choose reboot system now. Then your phone will turn off. Just in a couple of seconds it will turn back on and we need to set up it again. And now as you can see, we can set up the phone, so let's do this by pressing blue button to start. Here we need to select language and then tap next, then agree with privacy policy. Also tap next and choose how you want to set up this device with the help of Galaxy or Android device, iPhone or iPad, or set up manually. And now we got this pop-up window that an unauthorized attempt has been made to reset your device to factory default settings. You should connect to a Wi-Fi or mobile network to verify your identity. So here you will need to choose your Wi-Fi network, enter its password, and connect. This is important, so just follow this step. Now, after we connected, we can tap next. And now it is getting the phone ready. Here you can also see this lock icon, meaning we will need to unlock the phone with the help of either password or PIN code, but we forgot it, right? So we will need to choose another option, which is to restore data with the help of Google account. So let's just wait for it to be loading, and after that we'll be able to restore this phone. And yep, this is exactly what I was talking about. So as you can see, I need to draw my pattern, which I forgot, but instead of this I can use that option, use my Google account. So let me tap it, and after that you need to simply enter your email or phone number and then password from the account in which you were signed in when you were using the phone before we factory reset it. So just enter this same data and let me do it quickly behind the scenes and get back to you. And then after you successfully signed in, you can choose to copy apps and data or choose don't copy. That is what I'm gonna do now. And after that, just tap next and it would be loading. And here you can restore data from another device. So if you want to, you can choose a backup below or select don't restore. After that, accept everything you see on the screen. And now just default setup, so select a browser first, set as default, then choose search engine, set as default as well. Here choose type of protection, or you can skip this step and do it later in the settings. And now just agree to use Google Assistant or don't agree and set up later in the settings. Here you can access your assistant without unlocking your device. This is really useful feature, so I'm gonna agree to that. And now we are waiting again. So after that, just sign in your Samsung account, or you can tap this option on the bottom and choose to set up later in the settings. And now after that, just as usual, agree with terms and conditions. Then tap next, enable customization service, also agree, choose display mode, I'm gonna choose light. And now we are just waiting a bit and that's it. We just need to hit finish button. And after that, phone can also suggest to install some apps. Yes, as you can see, you can tap later and exit app setup. And as you can see, we successfully restored data on the phone, so we'll be able to sign in without need to enter password, PIN code or pattern. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.